come to adopt me. I played this game last time when I was playing. Ugh. Okay. Can I please move? Can I click on stuff? No, now I can move. Gotta click. Wait, click the button? I guess not. Pizza. Eat the pizza. It's a pizza with nothing on it. Jack? Hello, Jack. Let's have a nom nom on pizza. Today, everyone, we are going to be getting a new pet, which is cracked egg. Wait, what? Do I already have it? I feel like I already have it. Oh yeah, I did have the other. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's go. Okay. We're playing this video, but I like it. I'm not using my car. There. My mouse is laggy. Get more is the legendary. Wow. There's only one of them. Okay. Let's go. Oh, hello. Stop the egg. Wow. Fancy. Oh, you can actually drive in this game too. Very cool stuff. It's not cool. And I want to cut off. Okay. Hello, Jack. We're going to be a new pet. I can't believe you guys are going to replace Puma 2 times. Well, if you guys you guys could actually play last time I played it because I was playing with my cousin, and yeah, I got an otter. Like the cracked egg I was about to get in the end of my last video. Goodbye, cracked egg. Hello, good sad. Please let me cracked egg. No. Okay, you know what, cracked egg? Let's go home. I've never actually seen that, but okay, I guess you can do that. Okay, you can't do this so bad. And I just play as bad. Why am I'm literally running. It's actually the first chapter of the book I was reading. Why are you running? Alright, now. Okay, let's go get in the car and let's go for a little bit of a drive to home. Cause yes, I want to. And I'm tired. That's what it says. Cause I'm tired. So, not sure which one. Oh no! Oh no! Now it's not turning. And I. Whoop. Wait. Hello. Run. Why is my camera like this? I don't like it like this. Boom, bop, and boom, bop. Okay. Bop. No. Like what? Come on. Come on, Ben. Come on. Okay. Pick up. And we're gonna go in my house. Wow. Can't believe we have another cracked egg. I should really just save up the normal egg or the expensive egg, which I don't know. The expensive egg, I don't know. I just don't like it. And I don't like weird looking pets like things. I don't know. I want normal pets. Some pets that are cute. I'm a cute person. Okay. Cracked egg. Me. the correct egg. Well, correct egg, you're going to bed anyway because I want to. You too. Dress up and my black sour. No. Black sour. Yes. Now I am. That's not black sour. Yeah. Oh. Wolf. Come on. Correct egg. Badly. I call you Badly. That's not my name. No, not you. Not you, Badly. Yeah, I know. Oh no, I'm talking to her. Confidence. Toleden ngayon na corner. Okay. Nope. I don't like you in corners. I think so. Could I take you first? And then me take shower. Take a shower. Rub-a-dub-dub. Shower. Yeah, clean. It's time for the school. Yes, it is. Mediterranean some of my best at school. Of course, you are hungry. We shall make you a pizza, because that's what it is. Looks like you are asking for. What's a pizza? So I give him pizza. Okay. Langsung keras. Eat. Enjoy your pizza crust. You coming? Daddy? Okay, good daddy. Ooh, that thing hatches quickly. I hate this glitch. It's the worst glitch by far. And it's annoying, it's bad. Okay. I'm so itchy, I apologize. Okay, now, going to school. Go to school. Why wouldn't I? Okay, we're gonna turn. Oh, no, don't go there. Hi, Eva. This is my friend, Eva, my cousin. It's not my cousin. It's not even Eva in the server. Okay. Jump. I always think that the adopting place with the pets is like, that's not it either, that's the pet shop. I always think that the adopting like the place where you get pets and baddies, it's kind of like, it looks like the school until they added pets. I still get them confused though, that's just weird. You're hungry. Okay, I make a pizza for you. Here I come. From backpack. Good. Apple. There you go. There you go, sir. That's good, sir. Oh, here. Stuck up in apples. But yeah, I like her vlog. How many apples do I have? That's not even that many apples. Okay, maybe it's a lot. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I am hungry also. Yeah. Eat apple. Yum. We are done. Okay. Let's crack egg. That I can spawn cracked egg. Okay, hello cracked egg. Now we just need to get one more relation done, and then you shall become Puta Feltek. Hopefully you're not. This one's cute. This one's cute. This one's kind of cute. This one's very, very cute. This is like, I don't know. This one's so cute. And this one too. Yes, you are mad. I like the comment bets. I don't know why, but I do. Okay. Oh, trade. What do you want to trade with me? I want the hashtag. Want this? Okay. Why are you letting on trading? They know I'm recording a video. It's not even a public YouTube channel. Yeah. But I already have that. I literally already have that. God. Oh, she's trying to steal me. Nope. Get it. Right. They'll never catch me. Oh, then she has a motorcycle. Okay. Off now. Oh, dog. Doggy. No. I just want to click on. Come here, doggy. And now we spawn in car. Motorcycle. I'm gonna spawn my motorcycle. Woo! Go backwards. I can motorcycle. It's so fast. What even is my animal? Correct A. It might not even be an animal. Maybe it's gonna become a chicken. That would be really cute. If we became a chicken animal, we put him on a biscuit. Good, I don't put it on my biscuit. Oh! Oh, you are awesome. That's cool. Ow. Yeah, I'm gonna try this first one. No. What's gonna go? What I literally just no. Just no. This no. Oh yes, I need to go to a camping. That's not why you even go camping. It's weekend. No, just be out in nature. Cause like, yeah. Nature is amazing. Also now I basically live in the nature. Oh snap. Oh, good snap. Oh, goodness, snap. Oh, hello, Aussie. You are going on camping too, because you have an Aussie. I want to see what kind of animal you get. Okay, I might close my eyes. That's what I like to do when I get my back. Correct. Hey. No, I didn't need to navigate. But no. Okay, I'm out of here. What's up? My grandma and then I go ahead and eat one. Okay, proving Mars. I'm gonna guess it's a frog. Hopefully it's a frog. Hopefully it's a frog. Please tell it's a frog. I hear a noise. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What? No. Snow puma. Oh my goodness! He's so cute! Oh, yeah, good job. We go to a special place. We go get ice cream. I give you a special drink. No one else has ever gotten before. Para namin. This cold lemonade. Right. You will love it. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here because yeah, it's about time for this. So hope you like this if you're watching. So I'm just gonna see you next time if you're watching. Okay, bye. If you haven't on the back, it's okay. Bye.